I don't have enough money to invest. I hear this every day, and it's the biggest lie keeping people broke. You don't need $10,000. You don't need $1,000. You can start investing today with $100, and I'm about to show you the exact 5-step process. Step 1. Choose your platform. You need a brokerage account. The best platforms for beginners in 2026 are Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Vanguard. All three have 0 account minimums, 0 commissions on trades, and they offer fractional shares, meaning you can buy a piece of an expensive stock with just $100. Fidelity has the best mobile app. Vanguard created the index fund and has rock-bottom fees. Schwab is great for international investors. Pick one. You can always transfer later. Step 2. Decide between a brokerage account and a Roth IRA. A taxable brokerage has no rules. You can withdraw anytime, but you'll pay taxes on gains. A Roth IRA is a retirement account where money grows completely tax-free forever, but you generally can't withdraw earnings before age 59 and a half without penalties. My recommendation? If you're investing less than $7,500 total per year, open a Roth IRA first. Max that before using a taxable brokerage. Why? Because tax-free growth over 30 or 40 years is insanely powerful. Step 3. Pick your investment strategy. With $100, you have 3 smart options. Option A. Buy a single broad index fund, VTI, Vanguard Total Stock Market, or VOO, S&P 500. These own hundreds of companies, so you're instantly diversified. VTI is about $260 per share, but with fractional shares, your 100 buys about 0.38 shares. Historically, the market returns about 10% annually. Option B, Target Date Fund, like Vanguard Target 2060. These automatically adjust from aggressive to conservative as you approach retirement, completely hands-off. Option C, 3-fund portfolio, 70% U.S. stocks, 20 international, 10 bonds. Slightly more complex, but gives global diversification. Step 4. Make your first purchase. Log into your account. Click Trade. Search the ticker, let's say VTI. Enter $100. Review the order. Most platforms show exactly how many shares you're buying, including fractions. Click Place Order. Boom! You're an investor. Screenshot that confirmation. Step 5. Automate future contributions. This is the secret that turns 100 into life-changing wealth. Set up automatic investments of $50 per week or $200 per month. Your money gets pulled and invested automatically. This is dollar cost averaging. You buy more shares when prices are low, fewer when high, and over time it averages beautifully. Here's the math. Invest $100 per month at 10% returns for 30 years. You'll have $226,000. $200 per month, $452,000. Nearly $500,000 from small, consistent investments. 3 things not to do. Don't buy individual stocks yet. You don't have the knowledge. Don't try to time the market. You will fail. Studies show timing underperforms staying invested by 2 to 3% yearly. Don't check daily. Stocks go up and down. Check weekly or monthly, not hourly. Here's your action step. Tonight, open a Roth IRA at Fidelity. Deposit $100. Buy VTI or a Target Date Fund. Set up automatic $50 weekly contributions. You're now wealthier than 90% of people your age. Subscribe for more investing clarity every Tuesday and Friday.